helping a friend of mine sell this 1960 El Camino car. Is just, well, there's only two words to really describe it, and those words would be brand and new. There is not anything on this car that has not been touched. Every single nut, bolt, screw, wire, motor's been gone through, tranny, chrome's been done. Just a beautiful, beautiful example of a 60 in a very unique color. Notice it's taping, videoing here kind of light. So look at the pictures to get a true idea of the color. It's a darker color than what I'm seeing through my viewfinder here. You can see the shut lines on the car, just all beautiful. We don't have all the history on this car, but I guess it really doesn't matter that much because everything is just so beautiful on it. I mean, we were told that it was just a spectacular original survivor 60 El Camino from Southern California. We're told it's been here its whole life. I absolutely believe it. When you look at this car and you look at the interior, my God, there's just nothing on this car. It's got AC set up. It's a 348 big block. Just an incredible example. I've never ever really seen one done this nicely. I mean, you just look at every piece of rubber all inside the windows, all the window framing, all these little pieces like this, and all the screws, everything. I mean, there's just, I hesitate to call the car Concours. I don't know why. I probably should. It's as close to Concours as you're going to get. I've seen very few trucks done to this level of restoration. The underside of the car is rust-free, very original, looks like all original metal. The floors all original. Just, I mean, look at the fit and the finish on this car. I mean, nothing, absolutely nothing. The seat belts, retractors, just everything. The way it was done is absolutely stunning. It's got about 1,600 miles on it since it was completely ground up, rotisserie restored. This is as good as it gets, folks. This is one of the most beautiful 60 El Caminos I've ever seen.